Hi guys, my name's Anna. I'm from Adventure World Travel. I'm one of the industry account managers, and today I'm going to make guacamole. So what you'll need to start is obviously some avocados to begin with. You'll need about 3 or 4, depends on how many people you're feeding. So then we're going to pop it in the bowl here, scoop it out with a spoon. Nice and easy. Make sure you get all of it. Mush around. Now my Mexican friend gave me this recipe, so hopefully I'm going to do it justice. Next you can pop in some red onion, so pop that in there. Doesn't really matter what way you put it in first. Red onion, cilantro, finely chopped. So pop that in there. And of course some tomatoes, so you can use Roma tomatoes, these are the best ones to do, and what you do is scoop out the seeds and then chop up the rest of the flesh there. Pop that in, good handful. Also, if you want to pop a bit more sort of stuff in there, we've got pepper and salt, and the secret ingredient that my friend told me about was Tabasco sauce. So pop a couple of drops in there, depends on how spicy you like it. You can also use jalapeno peppers as well if you want it even more spicy. So then give that a good mix around. Very, very easy dish to make, as you can see. It's already halfway prepared as well. A bit nice and chunky if you wish. Depends on how you like it. I like it a bit chunky. And one last ingredient I forgot to put in was the lime. So you need a good squeeze of that into your guacamole. Mix it around. Yummy flavours. Voila.